Here in my garage, just bought this
Acura TL Type S.
it's fun to drive up here in the
Vancouver streets.
But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
That's why today I'm going to install these new hood struts that I bought. I've gone bad in the car, as well as putting in these LEDs in the interior. So let's get started. So here are the hood struts. I have a piece of wood supporting the hood, which is pretty ghetto. I heard you're supposed to use vice grips, which is a bit safer, but I couldn't find any. But here is the hood strut. What you're going to do is get a flat head, and I pry it in this little groove right here, and I just twist out, undo the clamps, and then once that's undone, kind of just want to lift the hood up a bit, and there we go. And then for the bottom, it's a bit the same. It's got the same clamp on there. You can see the little clamp right there. Put it in there, twist it out, and then it just comes right loose. So just put it in there. Super easy. Now I'm gonna get the replacements and install it. So to install it, you just want to reverse the order. Just gonna undo the clamps first. Put it in. It should just snap right in. And then put the clamps back in place. And just like that, the new hood struts are in. And it's staying up on its own. Nice. Now we are done with the hood struts. Let's move on to the interior with these LED lights. I got some plastic trim removal tools, and then we'll see you inside. Start off with these puddle lights. I guess that's what they're called.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
I honestly don't know which bulbs go where. I bought a kit off of eBay, and it kind of just sent me them in a bag with no instructions, but let's get through this together. Let's pop one of these babies in. Something I didn't like. Some tape, try to take out that way. So with the tape, you just kind of get a piece of tape, wrap it around the bulb, and then it should, like the heat and the glue from the tape should stick on enough to be able for you to pull it out. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna put these lenses back on. See how easy that is to go on. Sweet. On to the next one. This one should be fun. There's like zero space for me to open the door, so I just gotta. Not too bad. Shit.
I'm disappointed in myself, and I promise to be better.
We are finally done installing the lights in the interior and the license plate. It was interior was a super easy installation. Apart from getting all the polarity on the LEDs wrong, it was a breeze. But the license plate, however, was a huge pain in the ass. Dealing with all the upholstery screws, I guess is what you call it, and the rubber things holding in place, it was not a fun time. That's why I had to drop the camera and use two hands to go at it. But yeah, the light output on these LEDs are pretty disappointing. I guess that's a lesson learned in not going to eBay for these type of things and going to like a legit source for these lights. But next up, I have in store is to get some seat covers or a set of seat covers for the TL. As you can see, the front seats are torn to shreds, and the back seats are fine though. So I don't know if I can justify dropping like $800, $900 Canadian on a set of Clatsio seat covers when just the front two are messed up. But yeah, we'll see. That's all I have planned for this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.